Hello guys, in today's video I do have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and I'm going to tell you what to do if your Bluetooth is not connecting on this device. The first thing you have to do actually is to go straight to your phone settings over here, and now once you're here, tap connections. Here, now go Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth for a moment. Now once Bluetooth is disabled, after 10 seconds, enable this option back again. This should have your options, Bluetooth option module turned off and on and refreshed. Now everything should be working fine. If it isn't, tap on the device you have paired or just you want to be connected. Go back and unpair. Once your device is unpaired, you need to just pair your device back again. So tap scan, enter the pairing mode on your device, and everything should be working fine. If you can't still connect your device, do a factory reset of your device and restart your phone. To do so, you need to hold the power and volume up button, but power 2. Wait a moment. Power and volume up. Here. Now you need to tap power off or just restart and restart your device. This will just turn off and on your phone. Everything should be working fine now. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to now go back and scroll the way down to the software update. If you don't have any update to your phone immediately, because the latest version is the better, and you'll have the latest fixes and your issue shouldn't be here with us. But if you do have still the issue after the update, or if you don't have any updates, you need to just go to the address service and have your phone fixed. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.